Here we're taking a look at a beautiful 2007 DCH Economy pre-owned Ram 1500 SLT four-wheel drive, finished in flame red paint with gray cloth seats, powered by a 4.7-liter Magnum V8 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission, equipped with 17-inch alloy wheels, tow hitch, and running boards. Safety features include ABS brakes, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, traction control, and dual front impact airbags. This beautiful Ram 1500 SLT has just arrived at Honda of Nanuet. It only has 55,000 miles. It's gone through a comprehensive multi-point inspection and quality assured review, and it comes with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. The gray cloth seats are in mint condition. This Ram's interior is like new. This Ram 1500 SLT comes well equipped with power windows, mirrors, and door locks, keyless entry, cruise control, heated mirrors. It has a 4-speaker sound system with CD player, auxiliary jack, and MP3 decoder. The Ram 32-valve dual overhead cam 4.7-liter Magnum V8 engine has plenty of power for whatever you're hauling or towing, and it gets 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This Ram's bed is in excellent condition. Come down to Honda of Nanuet today and test drive this beautiful, extra clean 2007 DCH Economy pre-owned Ram 1500 SLT four-wheel drive with 17-inch alloy wheels and only 55,000 miles.